Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can quickly remove a song from a Spotify playlist. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Spotify and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys in the top, you're gonna find the option to upgrade to premium. Here you're gonna find your notifications, your friend activity, and here you're gonna find your profile icon. If you click on it from here, you can access your account settings, you can access your profile, upgrade to premium, start a private session. Here you're gonna find your settings, and lastly, the option to log out from your account. Here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all the sections. There is the home section. Here you're gonna find the search section, and lastly, here you're gonna find the option to expand your library. If you click right here, as you can see guys, you can access all of your playlists. So for example, I'm gonna go to this playlist. And then as you can see guys right here, you're gonna find the list that includes all of the songs that you have in this playlist. So right now, for example, I'm gonna go to this song. If you hover your mouse over the song, right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find this arrow. If you click on it, you can basically play the song. Here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to add it to a playlist. If you click on these three dots right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to add it to a playlist. You can choose the playlist that you want, or if you click on new playlist, you can create a new playlist. Here you're gonna find the option to remove the song from this playlist. From here, you can remove it also from your liked songs. Here you can add the song to a queue. You can go to the song radio. You can go to the artist, go to album, view credits. And if you click on share, you can either copy the song link or embed the track. So right now, I'm gonna go to remove from this playlist. And as you can see guys, I easily removed the song from the playlist. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.